Hey guys, welcome to your very own YouTube channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected levels for the next day. So in my previous video, I did mention that the market has taken support near its crucial level, which is 8 days exponential moving average. So it should open the with a gap up sentiment. So as you can see, the market did open with a gap up sentiment, but now the resistance, which is clearly emerging near 10,830 level. The next day as well, you can see that the market was not able to sustain on a high levels, came down again taking support near 8 days exponential moving average. Now there are two things that you need to that need to be observed. Here is there is a bearish crossover here. The technical indicators are suggesting a pause or other downside because the CCI is now trading below 100 level and RSI is also near the support level. Further, if you see the bearish crossover, whenever the bearish crossover emerges, the resistance level, which is now at 10,830 level, will act as a strong resistance for the market. And till the time the market closes above this particular level, we are definitely going to see down moves. And my target for the Bank Nifty on a downside would be 10,761. However, we have not taken any particular position because the market has taken support near its 8 days exponential moving average, so it can also open with a gap of sentiments. Now we need to what we need to see is if the market closes about 10,830, then we can go long with expectation of a gap up move. But if it closes below its yellow line, which is 13 days exponential moving average, then it can also go down. Till the time if the market trades between these two particular range, we are definitely going to see a range bound markets. So that was my analysis for the Nifty. And if you also analyze the option chart data, you will see that 10,700 to 11,000 is the broad option activity range for the market. On a call side, you will see a good amount of call writing that has been emerging. The maximum change in open interest has happened near the level of 10,900, indicating that 10,900 is seen as a strong resistance for the market. On the put side as well, you will see a fresh creation of bearish position. The maximum change in open interest again has happened near the level of 10,700. So definitely market participants are expecting a down sort of move. If you have joined me on my if you have joined me on my channel for this particular month or the beginning of this month, you will know that we have made a particular strategy wherein we have sell 10,500 put option and 10,800 call option. When the market breach this particular level, at this particular point in time, we have covered our 10,800 position. However, as I have also mentioned that at this particular level, market will again see a pause and will come down and test this 8 days exponential moving average. But not only that, market was not able to go on to its previous high, previous resistance, and now has came down. So we still have our 10,500 put position open that has generated a good profit. 10,800 has also given a net profit. Now we are only holding 10,500 put, which is on the short side, and we will wait for the market to give a clear indication. If the market breaches 10,830 level, then we will again buy a call option, or we can also sell a further put option on a high side. Whatever the position may be, I will definitely update to my WhatsApp and Telegram subscriber. Okay, so that was my analysis for the Nifty. Now let us quickly see what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. So if you see today, you can see that there is a flat sort of Bank Nifty position you can observe. Let us take a look at the technical indicators and the price action that we have seen. Now if you have seen my previous videos, I have been mentioning that this particular level, which is 21 days exponential moving average, has been acting as a good support for the markets. So this particular level gets confirmed because we have seen this first, second, third, fourth, 5 and 6 and 7. We have seen 7 times this particular level has been acting as a support for the market. So now what we need to do, we need to analyze how this particular level should play out, and if this particular level gets broken, what will be the target for the market. So option chart data is suggesting 26,000 to 27,000 sort of broad option activity range. On a call side, I can see a good amount of call writing. Maximum change on open interest has happened near the level of 26,600, which is slightly above the spot price. So definitely market participants are expecting a resistance on the high side. On the put side, if you see, however, 26,400 has seen support because of put writing has happened, and from this particular level and onwards on the high side, we have seen put writing, put long covering, and fresh bearish position getting created. So what I feel is if you see any green move from this particular level, because uh, this particular level has been acting as a support for the market, then you can definitely create a bullish position with a short expectation of a gap up move. And if you see this particular level getting breached, then you can definitely expect a next target could be 34 days exponential moving average, which I have not plotted here, but it could be, let me just plot that for you. So there will be 34 days exponential moving average, and the color will be this. Okay, so 26,000 140 26 164 could be the next target if this particular level gets broken, that you can also observe here. And from this particular level, I am definitely expecting a bounce back from upside. If you analyze the technical indicators, so MACD is trading below its exponential average near zero line. CCI is already trading below its exponential average, and RSI was also stalling on a high side. So definitely a range bound move is on the card both for the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. Let us see if the particular level gets broken or gets taken out. Then we can decide position accordingly, as I have already suggested in my video. If you want to learn how I'm generating a buy and sell signal, you may like to check out my video description where you will find the detailed playlist. And in case if you have any doubt, you can always mention the same in the comment section of this video. If you want to join me on my WhatsApp and Telegram channel, you will find the details in the video description as well. That's it for the today's guide. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.